How to set up Instagram business hours. Hi guys, let's get started. First, open up your Instagram application. To set up an Instagram business hour, first you need to have a business account. So if you have a personal or creator account, make sure to turn it to business account. For that, tap on your profile and now tap on the three horizontal line in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, select settings and tap on account. Now scroll down and tap on switch account types and select switch to business account. Tap on switch once again to confirm, and with this your personal or creator account will be switched to a business account. Now once you have a business account, tap on business, and from here if you have a legit business account or business page, then there'll be an option of hours where you can simply put on your hours. But since I don't have that, what we're going to do is tap on frequently asked questions. And now here, as you can see, you have been suggested a question, what are your hours? Simply type it down, what are your hours? And in the response box, type down your business hours, and to save it, simply tap on the check mark at the upper right corner. Now with this, although the business hours won't be shown in your profile, one can still get an idea about your business hours. For instance, now if someone asks you or if someone DMs you asking about your business hours, then the response would be automatically sent to them, and it's a lot more convenient for both you and your consumer. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents.